This is a high wind warning from the National Weather Service. For the following locations in Colorado: the Northern Front Range foothills including Estes Park and Nederland, the Southern Front Range foothills including Idaho Springs and Evergreen, Rocky Mountain National Park and the Medicine Bow Range in the mountains of Summit County, the Mosquito Range and the Indian Peaks. High wind warning in effect from 5 p.m. this afternoon to 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Wednesday. What? West winds 25 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 75 miles per hour expected. Where? Rocky Mountain National Park and the Medicine Bow Range, the mountains of Summit County, the Mosquito Range, and the Indian Peaks, the Northern Front Range foothills, and the Southern Front Range foothills. When? From 5 p.m. this afternoon to 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Wednesday. The following impacts are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details: strong winds will produce areas of blowing snow, causing reduced visibilities to less than a quarter mile in places. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution